Okay. It's Tuesday, the 13th of July. It's about 15 minutes before the RTH Open. And this is where we are in the 60-minute chart. This here is the yesterday day session. This was the overnight session up until the CPI news. So we had bounced off of the trend line, but then bridged it after the news, and now we're currently trading right in this LVN 65.66. Scenario 1 for me is buy the dip kind of scenario. We are slightly higher than yesterday's open. We're right on top of the prior day high. So I expect continuation higher, scenario 1. Failing that, leaving prior day's range. This is prior day. Prior day's low is at 54. Prior day's low is somewhere here at 54. So I expect in scenario 2 to leave prior day's range. And extend down to the weekly point of control from last week, which is at 46. Prior weekly point of control, which is down here. So how does this look in the 15-minute? Yesterday, this is a day session, we open tested lower to 54.75, we continued higher, which was my scenario 1, almost precisely. And here is the scene of the crime, the news, CPI, 76-ish, higher than expected. So we dropped off almost to the low of yesterday's pit session. 56.50 is the current overnight low, and yesterday's low is 54.75. So my scenario 1, as I just mentioned, as we open, test down to the point of control from 2 days ago, Friday. This HBN here at 60, which is prior week close as well, and find a base to extend higher, take out the scene of the crime, and extend up to 80, the overnight high, 78.75, and then 80 and do an all-time high. Scenario 1. Take out the pit high from yesterday, which is at 79.25. So I'd say 80 here. Scenario 2, in green. We open, we test the point of control, 70.71, which is this area. Find out sellers, take out the overnight low, leave the range. And below that we have the singles at 50 and the prior week point of control at 46. Singles, and then point of control from last week at 46. This 46 is the triple distribution of Friday's AGVN. That's 46. $50 is the singles. So Friday's low, 55, tested from below. $55, Friday's low, 50, 46. And that's that. On scenario 2. Scenario 3, we may have some sort of a sell-off day. We had a impulse up, pullback continuation, and now we are kind of forming a bit of a head and shoulder, so we may have a sell-off day. Scenario 3, down to Friday's low at 28.25. Down here, gap high. Scenario 3 and scenario 4 is a trend up day. Another trend up, well, trend up, no another, but a day, strong day to the upside. Scenario 4. And that's that.